Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable sites to save data on your device on Opera GX. The first thing you need to do is open up the settings, alternate on P keys, open it up faster. Then scroll all the way down to site settings, click on it. Scroll all the way down until you see additional content settings, click on the arrow leading down by the right that points down. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to see on device site data, click on it. And now, a site you visit can save info about what you're doing so that it works as expected. For example, to keep you signed into a site or to save items in your shopping cart, often sites save this info temporarily on your device. Now, if you want to allow the site to save data on your device, leave this turned on. If you do not want, then you choose don't allow site to save data on the device. But sites you visit may stop working as designed, so make sure you click on turn off. It's as simple as that.